pre-bronze level syllabus. Next step is progressive walks back and forward. So let's take a look at this. And 2 and 30 and forward and backward. 2 and 30 and forward. 2 and 30 and forward. 2 and 30 and forward and. So what is this about? This is simply we progressively move same direction forward, same direction backward. What tips we got for you? So of course, number one tip, when we dance together, is very important. Before we start moving, establish connection. Get our spines together and have that feeling like we're always connected here. And this hand here, this middle point, should not be moving. It should be quiet. And our bodies should be always towards each other, even, for example, for the girl in this case, going backwards. So she stay with the man as much as they can as she's stretching her legs back. Now, in this case, our role's changing. Now, my partner is moving forward, but she is still trying to be connected with her, keeping my spine with her, never falling out. And then in this case, it gives me chance to stretch my legs and feel my partner. So in these steps, we strongly recommend just being with each other, staying connected, move back and forward. What is the tip number two? As you move forward and you're staying connected with your partner, try for the ladies or for the men as well, for the person who moved backward, stretch your leg, reach with your thigh and hip, having that massive, beautiful action, beautiful leg. And as you land here, that's already point number three, there is a sense of stretchingness from your foot into the hip before you going to the next step. So stretch your legs to create a little bit more extended walk, and then stretch here as you got into the step. So 3 points. Connection, stretch your legs, and open your hip at the end of the step. 2 and a 30 and forward. And the same forward, and 2 and a 30 and forward. Practice your progressive walks and see you at the next lesson.